It's all set. Now I just got a router, but I gotta get past that. Just gonna go for it. Dug into the, I don't know what I was thinking. So this messed it up. I need something solid. I should have known that. Now we're gonna have to go back a little bit. Fuck. That's alright. Just make the table a little shorter. I made it a little longer just in case. So we're gonna have to, now we're gonna do it right this time. You gotta remember to put pressure right here because this, it's kind of bowed. Alrighty, I got this all routed out. Forgot to push record. So I'm leaving 3/4 and I'm leaving this. So I gotta cut out these. I already got this cut out using my pull saw. Now I'm gonna cut along that. Actually, I'm going to use open saw. So I got a router to this side. I gotta flip it over. I got it all routed, so now I'm using the coping saw to cut the 3/4 line. behind you. Not perfect, but that was pretty cool. It's a long ass cut. Ripping this down to 4 feet. It's cool. So I got this all cut out. Here's the breadboard end. This tenon is a little too long, or this ain't deep enough, one of them. So I'm gonna shorten this side, just straighten it out. Then it should go on just fine. We're getting there, slowly but surely. I am not deep enough right here for the tenon, so I gotta go maybe 1/16 deeper. Alright, so what I did was I put a down spiral bit on my drill press, and I only needed to take like a 1/16 off of the inside of this. So I just stuck it in, put the depth to where it took a little bit of like a 1/16, pulled the drill press down and just slid it all the way through. So there's a bit, got it all the way down to where it needed to be, and I just slid it all the way through. And it worked pretty good. I'd say it did a good job. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I got a new piece, breadboard end, and cutting the mortise, just for the breadboard end. And that's what I'm doing. Okay, so what I did here was got it all dry fit, and I added a little angle just right in here, just so I can add cut some wedges. And I went in about 3/8. So cut a little relief cut, and this is where the wedges are going to come in, and kind of angled right here. So once I put the wedges in, it'll be like it'll just be wedged in like a dovetail. It'll be like a dovetail once I put it in, so it'll go in right there. Then I will cut these really thin, maybe right there. Then I'll wedge it in. Cut it to size. That's what I didn't do. So I'll do that over here real quick. Okay, over there I cut it flush on both ends. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But that's what I'm about to do here, so you can see what I'm doing.